Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? On the L plus ham lamb. On the lamb. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. And please join me in welcoming back our two players. Lovely lady on my right is Irish. She is originally from Boston, and her name is Molly Glynn, and she's won over $10,000. And welcome back to you. And the gentleman on our left was with us on yesterday's program also. His name is Dee Coleman. Welcome back, Dee. Good luck to you today. We'll get you into this game in just a moment. First, I want to take a moment to remind all of you at home about next week, our special programming here on Classic Concentration. Mother's Week, May 6th through May 10th, a week of programming in which we will feature mothers and their sons or daughters competing against each other. Should be a lot of fun. Now, let's take a look over here. We have a great prize, great addition to your home.
Gibson's Frost Clear Refrigerator Freezer with features designed to make food storage easier and more convenient than ever. Gibson's gas range with waist-high broiler and fuel-saving electronic ignition. A portable dishwasher featuring 3 levels of washing action. Radiant heat drying and self-cleaning soil separator furnished by Gibson. Alex.
Thank you, Gene, and thank you, Margie. That's the first time in about 2.5 years that Margie has made it to the dishwasher. Let's show Dee and Molly where they will find the complete kitchen at number 21. A Holiday in Honolulu also available in this game. All right, let's go to work. We need 2 selections from... Who goes first today? Who went in the winner's circle yesterday?
I did.
He was in the winner's circle yesterday?
The last show.
The last show?
Yes,
well, thank you very much, Molly. That means you pick first.
Okay. All right, let's start off and see if I can find the match for that kitchen in number 10.
Leather garment bag.
And number 13.
Red tape, no match. D.
Okay, I can feel that sand crunching under my feet right now.
You can what?
I can feel the sand in Hawaii. I love to go surfing.
Okay, fine.
Number 1 for the Hawaii trip.
No, crystal glassware. Can you feel the glass crunching under your feet?
That wouldn't feel too good.
No, you bet.
Let's see, and the match under number 11.
Complete kitchen, no match for you. Molly.
Okay, I want that kitchen. So number 21.
Right?
And number 11 for
There's
the match.
There's a match, 11 and 21. Good match for the ladies. Take a look. Select again.
Okay, number 24, please.
Green take.
And number 20.
No. Sewing machine.
Okay, let's try lucky number 7.
Green take.
And the match under number 23.
Oh, I was about to give it to you because we had just seen it a moment ago. I guess I'll have to hold on to it. Perhaps Molly will make the match.
Let's see if I can remember where it is. Let's see, number 13.
No, that's a red tape.
Oh, let's see if we can find a match or a wild card under number 18.
There's a wild card, so we'll show you the other red tape at number 6. So I'll swap the green one for a red one and give you this. Put it here for future use, and we will open 3 panels for your benefit, Molly. Select again.
Okay. Number 14, please.
Crystal glassware.
And number 1 for the
Correct.
match.
Crystal glassware again. Molly has a strike against her, so she has to work extra hard in this game. Let's see what happens now as these 2 panels swing open. Go again, Molly.
Okay, number 5.
Color TV.
And let's see if we can find a match under number 12.
Color TV, and a natural match at that. Well done. Boy, you're on a roll today.
Hope so.
Let's see what happens now. Pick again.
Okay, number 17.
Wild card.
Oh, let's see if I can find that trip. Let's see if that trip is under number 25.
No, his and her swimwear is under 25, and the match for that is under number 3. And so 3 doors are opening up now for Molly. Is it enough?
Keep doing that.
You keep doing that?
I keep doing that.
You can't offer a solution now.
I can't?
No, because the buzzer went.
Okay.
You know the rules. You have to give the solution before the buzzer.
Okay.
All right.
Let's see if I can find another wild card. Number 8, please.
Sewing machine.
And number 20?
Sewing machine. There you go. Now, when we open the doors, can you solve the puzzle?
Is it let me out of here?
Let me out of here, she says. She is right. The game belongs to Molly from the first moment, from the get-go. Dee never had a chance. Let's go to the board, Molly.
Let, meow, plus dove, me out of, H plus ear is here, let me out of here.
Let me out of here. She doesn't want to be let out of here. She's having too much fun and winning too many prizes. Dee, just the first strike against you, so we will see you, of course, in game number 2 in a little bit. Right now, though, Molly wants to hear about her prizes, and Gene is going to tell us.
A sewing machine, crystal glassware, and his and her swimwear. See fashions of California, sensational bikinis and mayos in a wonderful assortment of fabrics and colors. Swimsuits that make you look and feel terrific. Furnished by See Fashions of California and a color TV. Samsung's 27-inch MTS stereo color television with clean high-tech styling and a deluxe 36-key remote control furnished by Samsung. And, of course, the handsome complete kitchen. And, Molly, you've won prizes worth $3,342.
Big win for Molly, and we'll see how well she does when she plays for a brand new car right after this. Molly, my dear, your second time in the winner's circle. Good luck to you. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock. Off you go.
1, 3.
Nope.
2, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
1, 6.
No.
7, 8.
No.
8, 6.
Right.
9, 10.
No.
5, 10.
No.
2, 10.
Right.
11, 9.
No.
12, 13.
No.
15, 1.
Yeah, no.
No. 14, 1.
Right.
3, 13.
No. Didn't work particularly well for you, but that's all right. You've got just the one strike against you. However, you have picked up $13,500 in prizes. And you could add to that in game number 2, which will begin right after this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, each of our contestants has one strike. When I rushed into the studio today, I was running a little bit late, so I was a little bit flustered. And that's why I couldn't remember whose turn it was to go first today. And I can't remember if we've gotten any background information from you. Molly, what do you do? You mentioned that you're from Boston. I know that.
Right. I'm from Boston, and right now I decided I needed a break from Boston, so I came out here for a while, and I'm doing some catering and some environmental work.
Good for you, on both counts. And Dee, what about you? What are you involved in?
I work for a major land development company up in Bass Lake, up near Yosemite, and develop property.
Any water shortage problems up there?
With the last rain, we've been doing pretty good, so
good.
We're ready to
that
wet
helps.
Water skiing.
All right, take a look over here. If you guys are into games, and why shouldn't you be? You're here competing. You'll enjoy this.
The Game Room Gallery solid oak game set converts easily from dining table to poker table with 4 comfortable poker chairs featuring a swivel rocker mechanism. The Game Room Gallery, furnished by Mikhail Darafi. Alex.
The thing I hate, Gene, I gotta tell you this. The thing I hate about playing cards with a panda is the panda's always showing his hand. Everybody sees what he's got. See, he's moving his hand. He's showing the cards. It's terrible. No wonder he beats Marjorie. All right, let's show Dee and Molly where you find the game table and chairs at number 6. Only one wild card in this game, by the way, players. But we have the bonus seconds, we have the cash pot with $700 in it, and a Newport Beach Club Resort vacation. And Dee, you go first. I'll remember that.
Yes. Let's try for that Newport Beach Club Resort under number 25.
Cash pot. 700.
Okay. And for the match, for that cash, under number 20.
No, the bonus car seconds. Molly gets excited over both of those.
I need those car seconds. Let's see if I can find the match under number 17.
Stereo system.
That'd be nice. Number 5, please.
Red take. D.
Okay, let's get that wild card out under number 1.
Cash pot.
And for the match, number 25.
Cash pot. We've had a few diagonal matches this past week on the program. Let's see what these two reveal. Yeah. Can't make heads or tails of this. Pick again, D.
Okay, let's go for number 21, please.
California Beach Club.
And I'd like that wild card, which I know is under number 13.
You know it, huh? Well, it wasn't there. Molly,
Okay, we haven't seen
what do you know?
More than D. Okay.
Ah, good. That's it.
I'm gonna regret that.
You are.
Number 10, please.
Stereo system?
And I just saw that, and it was under number 21.
No.
No.
That's the California Beach Club. D may know more than you.
Number 17.
17, the stereo system.
And number 10 for the match.
That's it, yes.
Yeah.
Molly was right. She's going to regret it.
That's right.
Open these two panels for D. Coleman, please. Go again.
Okay, I think I'll try number 22, please, for that wild card.
California Beach Club.
And number 21 for the match.
Easy to remember. It's right next to it.
I love new points.
All right, two more doors opening for D. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 3, please, for a wild card.
No, that's a vanity set.
Let's try that wild card under number 18, please.
No, a bedroom set. They sort of go together. Molly.
Yeah. Let's see if I can find a match for one of those under number 9.
Green take.
And the green take was under number 13.
Yes, it was. You can use it now or you can use it later. You know the drill.
I think I'm going to use it now.
Oh, really?
Bad mistake.
I'm going to use it now.
Bad mistake.
Cash?
I need the cash.
Cash.
I'm gonna take
How
the
did
cash.
I know she was going for the cash?
I
$600 going to Molly's side of the prize columns. And now we'll open these two panels for her. Now, did you notice while you were pondering this puzzle, did one of his famous sit up and take notice and grunt maneuvers?
Yep.
All of that designed to intimidate you.
That's right.
And to impress upon you the fact that perhaps he can solve this puzzle. Perhaps.
Well, he probably thinks he can.
All right, well, you break his heart
I
now.
may have the answer.
You break his heart.
I believe you might.
Make some matches, Molly.
Okay, let's see if we can get back to those matches. Under number 7
Vanity set.
and number 3.
Vanity set. That's the way to do it. That's the way to keep D at bay. Put that prize up here. And let's take a look at the puzzle now. Perhaps Molly will win this match.
Okay,
Select again.
Let's see if we can find a match under number 4
Bedroom set.
and number 8.
No, but that's a wild card. It's amazing. You're looking at the puzzle, folks. And Dia, just when she made the selection 8, he knew the bedroom set wasn't there. He says, okay, my turn to play. Whoops, wild card. All right, the other bedroom set, of course, is down lower at number 18, not number 8. So 3 panels will open up for Molly Glynn.
Is it Return to Civilization?
Gonna break Dee's heart. Return to Civilization. She's tough, Dee. She's tough. Come on, Molly.
Okay. Re plus turn is return to. Civ plus hill plus eyes plus hay plus shin is civilization. Return to civilization.
Well, you did that very, very well indeed. And I'm curious, Dee, because when the puzzle was revealed, just after Molly solved it, you gave it kind of a strange look, as if you had been going something close to that, but not exactly. Did you have it solved?
I was a hair off.
I thought you might have been thinking of back to civilization instead of return to. And when that arrow came up there, you kind of looked at it sideways and, I may be in trouble. I may have bitten off more than I can chew. That's too bad. Yeah. You've got 2 strikes against you, D. You're a fun contestant to have here on the program. Good luck to you. We've got some party gifts for you backstage. Take care, D. So long. All right, Molly, your hands are still cold, so you're nervous. But that's all right. You're supposed to be nervous because you're here playing for big bucks and the possibility of a brand new car. Right now, though, here is what you have just won.
A cash pot worth $600, a vanity set, and a bedroom set. Bassett's Old World bedroom set with its warm cherry finish includes a single dresser with an oval mirror, a 6-drawer chest, a sleigh bed with wood rails, and 2 nightstands. Furnished by Bassett Furniture. And Molly, the money keeps rolling in. You have a prize package here worth $3,090.
Very nice bedroom set. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. In the old days, vanity sets consisted of what? The hairbrush, comb, mirror, what else?
I think also a little table and a mirror and a little stool.
A tray?
A little tray.
All of that?
All that.
You've won all of that?
All of that.
All of that. You're up to about $16,000, $17,000, and you're going to have 3/4 of a minute to play for a brand new car. Have you picked out one that you really want?
I'd like that Jeep.
You want the Jeep? You want the Wrangler?
The Wrangler.
Okay, we'll find out if this young lady can win the Wrangler right after this break. When I asked you what car you wanted to win, you said the Jeep. You have noticed that during the night, the NBC Munchkins have been out swapping a few cars. So I'm going to run down the entire list for you because we have a few new ones out there. The Honda Civic is still on the bottom. Then we have the Volkswagen Fox, the Hyundai Excel, the Daihatsu Charade, the Jeep Wrangler. Those are new today. The Suzuki Swift comes next, followed by the Subaru Justy, and finally, the Ford Festiva. You know the drill. All you have to do is make those matches in the allotted time. You're going to have a little bit of extra time today. 15 numbered squares for you. Now, remember what I told you during the commercial break earlier on today. Don't call out 2 numbers at once when you get rolling into the thing because you delay you take away from your valuable seconds. Here's the clock with 45 seconds. Good luck.
Here we go.
Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
7, 8.
No.
7, 6.
No.
5, 9.
No.
10, 2.
Yes.
11, 12.
No.
13, 14.
No.
1, 14.
Right?
15, 6.
No.
8, 5.
No.
5, 15.
Right?
12, 7.
No.
4, 6.
You didn't get a break. Poor young girl did not get a break throughout all of that. But you were doing the right thing in the early stages. You were calling out 2 numbers. But then you have to slow down because if you call out 2 numbers quickly, perhaps on the first number you call, you will have noticed a match, a possible match. And then you've got to remember, now you've got 2 cars showing, and you've got to remember the 3rd car, and it becomes just too difficult, too intimidating. However, on the plus side, you've just got 1 strike and $16,600 in prizes. You want to go on, don't you? All righty, she wants to go on, and we do too. We'll take a break right now, though, and we'll hear about another prize from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design. A great kitchen startup set includes powerful handstand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
How to help you on those contestant plugs. We're going to change the phone
Leave me
number.
alone.
See you all tomorrow. What do you mean?
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.